Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix YouTube trending option not showing. Wondering why the trending tab on YouTube has disappeared? As of July 2025, YouTube officially retired its centralized trending section. Instead, trending content is now organized into category-based charts like trending music, podcasts, and movie trailers. On desktop or web, you'll find us under the Explore menu in the sidebar. Just look for the chart categories that interest you the most. On mobile, tap the compass icon to open the Explorer tab, scroll down to find the trending section, and for YouTube on smart TVs, use the Export button or customize your home screen to restore relevant feeds. While the old trending tab is gone, finding what's popular is so easy. You just have to navigate a little differently. Keep exploring and you'll stay up to date with what's buzzing. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.